We are the Chanboys, and today we're going to make a tutorial on how to make French bread pizza. So, the ingredients are French bread, aka baguette. The second ingredient is mozzarella cheese. By the way, get the hard kind, not the soft. Next, thing you need to have is grater. Cheese grater and tomato sauce, obviously, pepperoni if you want, and spinach if you want. The first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 375. So after you're done grating the cheese and cutting the bread, lay it on the baking tray with the tin foil. Just lay it all out. Then just pour it on here. And then you lay it all out like that. The next step is grab the grated cheese and spread it. Spread it good. So these next two steps are optional, and they are putting on spinach or pepperoni, because this is a cheese pizza already, but we like putting on toppings like spinach, stay healthy. So first you would put on the spinach. Just place 1 or 2 on, even 3 if you like. And so the spinach will actually shrink because of the heat, and it won't be as big as that one on that pizza right there. So you should try to get like big ones so that they won't be super small. So yeah, if you want to put pepperoni on, and if you want your kids to have spinach but don't want to see it, just put the pepperoni on top of the spinach. Very fun fact. Okay guys, for this part, you're gonna need your parents' help. That is putting in the pizza in the oven. Parents' help! So right here, you just want to set a timer for 10 minutes, but we were kind of funny and put it at 1 second. And basically just grab anything. It could be an iPhone, an iPad, or Google Home, or Alexa. Just set a timer for 10 minutes. And there we go. Smells super good. Like so good. I'll take a brownie. It is hot, 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 hot. It smells good though. We do have a plate. This is good. Very good, definitely recommend it. Could be hot.